Class, we are going to discuss some topics in page number 67. That is, okay. So here one question is there. What is, in red color box there is a question in page number 67. What is 1000 less than the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. This is the question. Okay. What is 1000 less than the greatest 4-digit number? This question you can solve if you know what is the greatest 4-digit number. This is the keyword here. If you can understand this one, you can solve the question very easily. What is the greatest 4-digit number is what? How much? Greatest 4-digit number is what? 9999. Clear? So what he said, 1000 less than the greatest 4-digit number means you have to subtract 1000. How much will you get? 9998. Clear? The answer is 8999. That is your B. He has given three options. A 9999, B 8999, C 1000. In these three, what is the answer we got? 8999. So this is the answer. Okay? That's all. Next one is arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Already you have learned this in your previous classes. Just for once again to revise, he has inculcated this one. Numbers in the ascending order. I think all of you know ascending order, descending order, no? But then the number of digits in the number will increase, that's all. The concept is same in how you have to arrange from ascending order means you have to arrange from lowest number to the highest number. Starting from lowest number, it should go. So I have said, I want to say one example. This is the lowest. So let's see, this is a building for example. This is the lowest point in the building. These are the stairs, and this is the highest point. Okay. From lowest point to highest point, if you want to go, you have to go step by step, no? Like this. So you are here. Suppose here you are. You have to go from here to here. How? By steps only you will go. These are the steps. So this is ascending order. From lowest number to highest number, you have to arrange the numbers. Ascending means going up. From down to you are going up. This will show that one only. This arrow means from lowest number to highest number, you are arranging all the numbers in their respective order. Okay. So this is called ascending order. From smaller number to, you have to, starting from smaller number, you have to arrange all the numbers. The ending number is highest number. Lowest number to highest number. Okay. You have to arrange. That is called ascending order. So let's see. First one. First one is so look at the question. A 7563 7563 Next one is 7321, 7653. Next one is 8930. First number is 7563, 7231. This one 231. Next one 7653, 8930. How you have to arrange them in ascending order. This is the keyword here. Ascending order. You have to arrange these numbers. What is ascending order? Lowest number to highest number. You have to arrange them. Okay. So first you should get the lowest number. What is the lowest number in all these? This is, however, the highest number. We can understand because it is in 8,000s. But all these are in 7,000s only. 7,000, 7,000, 7,563, 7,231, 7,653. By seeing only we can understand. Among these three numbers, this is highest number. Keep it aside. Among these three numbers, which one is the lowest number? 7,231 is the lowest number. So this one is the lowest one. Okay. Next one, after keep this aside. Okay. Next one 7,563 or 7,653. It must be slightly greater. Okay, like that. 7,563. This is second one. Next one, this one, third one. Only two numbers are there. However, last we are going to get this one. Keep this. 8930 is the last number. Okay. But what is the third number here? 7653. So your values must be slightly increasing. 7,563 is greater than this one. This one is greater than this one. This one is greater than this one. At last you have to get what number? Highest number. Starting from lowest number. This is lowest number. This is highest number. That's all. This is called the ascending order. Okay. Next question is B. What is that? 11,023. Next one is 3,012. Next one is 10,123. Next one is 1,213. So you have to understand one thing. This is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. This is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. You have to arrange all this in the ascending order. So if you look at these numbers, which one value is greater? This one is greater. This is 4-digit number. These two are 4-digit numbers. These two are 5-digit numbers. 11,023. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among this, which one is the greatest one? This one. Okay. Keep it aside. These are 4-digit numbers. Among these, which one is the lesser one? This one, 1,213. Because this is 3,000 change. This is 1,200 change. Means this one is the greatest one. So your number should start from lowest number. No? To keep it in ascending order, how your number should start? From the lowest number. Among all these numbers, this one is the lowest number, no? So 1,213. Next, this one. This is second one. 3012. Next, among these two numbers, which one is the smallest one? Here, this one. So last, greatest number. So your value should go on increase. So starting from lowest number, it should go up to highest number. Okay, that's all. Your value should slightly increase. That's all. Clear? My God. Next one. Arrange the following numbers in which order? Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay? Descend means decreasing. So I will take the steps example again. Descending means from highest value, means highest number to you have to come to lowest number. Okay? Suppose here you are. At highest number you are there. You have to come to lowest number, means ground floor. From first floor to ground floor you have to come. Okay? What is descending order? Highest number to lowest number, you have to arrange them in an order. Okay? This is called descending order. Okay? Next one. The question is 2109. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order. 2561, 2980, 2980 and 2190. 2109, 2561, 2980, 2190. Among all these numbers, which is the highest number? So here highest number to lowest number, no? So highest one we have to find. This is 2100, this is 2500, this is 2980, 2190. 2100 change, 2500 change, 2980, 2190. So among all this one is the highest number, no? So keep this at the first place, because our number should start from highest number to lowest number. We have to arrange like that. Next highest is what? This one, no? Clear? 2561. Among these two, which one is the next highest one? After 2561, what number you should get? This one, no? Because this one is less value. This is 2109 only. This is 2190. Next value is this 2109. This is how you have to arrange. This is highest number, this is lowest number. You have to arrange from highest number to the lowest number. That is called descending order. This is the answer. So what is the answer once again? 2980, 2561, 2190, 2109. Write this answer in that blank. Okay? Next one. Next question is $64,291, 4,382, 4,328, 25,381. 64,291, 4,382, 4,328, 25,381. These two are 5-digit numbers. 5-digit. Okay. So the greatest number should be among these two only, because these are 4-digit, 5-digit. These are 5 digits. Last two are 5-digit. Middle two are 4-digit. So the greatest number should be what? 5-digit only, no? Because in this order, you have to write the first highest number. Then you have to go on decreasing. At last you should get the lowest number. You have to arrange from highest number to the lowest number, no? So among these two numbers, which value will be greater? 4-digit number value is greater or 5-digit number value is greater? Obviously 5-digit number value is only greater. So in 64,229 and 25,381, which value is greater? This value is only greater, no? So you have to write this one. 64,291. This is the first one. Next 5-digit number value is this one only, no? 25,381. Among these two, which one is greater? This one, no? Because this is 4,382, this is 4,328. Among these two, this one is the greater. 4,382. Last you have to get the lowest number among all these. 4,328. This is the answer. So how is the order from highest number to lowest number? Is it there? The value is going on decreasing till the lowest number. That's all. Okay. This is your ascending order and descending order. Both are completed. Next one. What is next one? Numbers up to 7 digits. So next one, numbers up to 7 digits. So in this, we have to write which one is the smallest number, which one is the greatest number in 5-digit number, 6-digit number, like this. So in 5-digit numbers, which one is the smallest one? 10,000. So the 5-digit numbers will start from 10,000 only and they will end at 99,999. So where it will end? It will end at 9,999. So that's why it is the greatest number. They will start from here. 5-digit number will start from here. That's why it is the smallest number. Okay. So next one is, so if you are adding 99,999 plus 1, what you are going to get? See here. I will add here so that you will understand. 10. 9 plus 1, 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 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit numbers are starting. Clear? 6-digit numbers are starting from 1 lakh. Okay? 6. After this, what you are going to get? After 99,999, this is the greatest 5-digit number, no? If you are adding 1 to this, you are getting 1 lakh. This is the smallest 6-digit number. 6-digit numbers will start from where? 1 lakh. Okay? So, how can we represent 1 lakh? Thousands means we will represent like this. Thousands means TH. 10,000s means TH. Okay? How you will represent lakhs? Lakhs you will represent with L. Okay? In the place value chart, lakhs you will represent with L. Okay? Next one. What is the, in 6-digit numbers, what is the smallest? What is the smallest number and what is the greatest number? In 6-digit number, what is the smallest one? Because 6-digit starts from 1 lakh only. So that is only the smallest one. Okay. What is the greatest one? 9,99,999 only. After that you are going to get what? If you are adding plus 1 to this, you will get 9 plus 1 10, 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 9 plus 1 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is, you are going to get 7 digits after 9,99,999. So this one is the smallest one, this one is the greatest one. Up to here only, up to this number only you will have 6 digits. After that number you will get 7 digits. Okay, clear? So what is this called? This is called, what is the number name for this? It is called 1 lakh. This is called, I will write it here clearly, 9 lakhs 99,000 900 and 99. Okay, 9,99,000 Is it clear? 9,99,999. Okay, this is what we call this number. This is the greatest 6-digit number. Okay, next one. This one, it is there in your page number 68, I think. Yes, in page number 68 we have looked at the smallest 6-digit number and greatest 6-digit number. Okay, next question is, 1 lakh has dash zeros. 1 lakh has dash zeros. How many zeros 1 lakh will have? Let's see. This is 1 lakh, no? It is having how many zeros? 5 zeros. This is called 1 lakh and it is having 5 zeros. That's all. That is the answer. Answer is 5. Next one is 7-digit number. 7-digit numbers. In that you have to find which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest, no? So let's see. What I said just now, 9,99,999. If you are adding plus 1 to this, what you will get? 9 plus 1 10, no? Once again I will do 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. From here only, this is called 10 lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. From here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7-digit numbers will start from here only. And where they will end? Where they will end? They will end at, I'll write clearly. In 7-digit number, what is the smallest? What is the greatest? Okay. In smallest 7-digit number is just now we have seen 10 lakhs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. From here only 7-digit numbers will start. Next one, greatest one. Where? What is that? 99,99,999. Clear? Up to here only the 7-digit numbers will have. Okay, we will have up to here only 7-digit numbers. After that, you are going to get 8-digit numbers. Okay, so your 7-digit numbers will start from here and end here. Clear? After that, what you are going to get? 8-digit numbers. For you, 7-digit numbers is enough. Okay. What is this called? This is called 10 lakh. 10 lakhs. What is this called? This number is called 99. 99 lakhs 99,000 900 and 99. You can see this number in page number 68. In words, 99 lakh 99,999. This is called the greatest 7-digit number. Okay. Next number is, so next one, so let's see, if you are taking this smallest 7-digit number, that is 1 lakh, 1 2 3 4, your smallest 7-digit number is what? Not 1 lakh, it is 10 lakhs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7-digit number. No, let's see how many places are there here. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, this is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs. Okay, you will represent L for lakhs and TL for 10 lakhs. Okay, that is the representation. Now, one more thing, this is the smallest, no? Smallest 7-digit. Let's see for greatest also. Greatest 7-digit number. Let's see. 99 lakh 99,999. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 digits. Okay, 7-digit numbers will end here. After that, you are going to get what? 8-digit numbers. So this one is the smallest, starting from here, ending here. The 7 digits number will end here only. Let's see, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Okay, see, like this your places will go on increasing. That's why it is called large numbers. It is very large, no? 7 digits means. Okay, so that's how your numbers will go on increasing. You will get after that 8 digit, 9 digit, because numbers are infinity. Where it will end, no one knows. If you go on counting, the numbers will go on increasing. Okay, so what you have learned just now? Smallest 5-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. Next, smallest 6-digit number and greatest 6-digit number. Next, smallest 7-digit number and greatest 7-digit number. This is how you should understand how many numbers are there, how many digits are there, how many places are there, which place is called with which letter, we will represent which value with which letter. Means 1 lakh, lakhs we will represent with L, 10 lakhs means TL. Like that you should remember how we will represent thousands, hundreds, and how many places are there in one number, how many digits are there, from where to where, from the number of digits from where to where it is there, from where it will start, where it will end. where what is the smallest value, what is the greatest value. Smallest 5 digit value is what, for smallest 6 digit value is what. You should remember all this. That's why I have said what is the 5 digit numbers, in that smallest one, greatest one. And in 6 digit number, what is the smallest one, greatest one. And in 7 digit numbers, what is the smallest one, greatest one. You have to remember all these numbers. Okay. And previously we have learned about how to represent a number with ascending order, descending order. Okay, how you have to make it in the ascending form, descending form. Ascending means increasing value from lowest to highest, lowest to highest. Ascending, ascending order, from highest to lowest, descending order. Okay, you should remember this one, that's all. It is very easy. And you have to remember all these numbers, 5 digits, smallest 5 digit, smallest 6 digit, smallest 7 digit. They may be asked in your fill in the blanks. All that you have to remember. And you have to remember what, how to represent a number with a letter. Means lakhs means L, 10,000 means T, TH, like that. Okay, if you remember that one, it will be very easy for you. That's all.